Guess what? We're back at it again. I spent the day back in Soweto with the Reproweto team, and I gotta say, it's the kind of place that keeps surprising you. If you know where to look, your next big investment could literally be hiding in plain sight. We started our day at Orlando West, which is an area that seems like a great contender for capital flips. The area had the charm, the potential, the characteristics, and could be turned into something amazing with the right strategy and the right vision. Remember, terms and conditions apply. Then we shifted our sights to Pinville, an area that's excellent for student housing based on its close proximity to the University of Johannesburg. However, let's just say that the property we viewed has a lot of room for improvement. But hey, that's where all the opportunity is. When you look past the surface, you start to see the potential. Also, we may or may not have had an unprovoked and very random soccer match with the local kids. But I guess in true Soweto spirit, playing soccer and scouting properties go hand in hand. But oh my gosh, we actually did a lot this day. We actually took a little detour to the Hector Peterson Museum, because what's a good property tour without a little culture and history, right? Soweto is evolving, and if you're paying attention, this might be your sign to get involved. Here's a little testimony from one of our property investors from our property network. Remember to always stay invested.
Of the SAPIN Youth, and the focus of the day was doing a research day, basically checking the investment properties that we're interested in. And with me, I've got the research guide that was done by Reproweto. Basically just outlines the market area research and things to be aware of, and obviously the numbers, calculations are there, and just to help you give us a guide as which property are good for investment or not. Yeah, thanks for the day, and just